If you want to use picture-in-picture in Opera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to pop any video out into a floating window so you can keep watching while browsing other tabs, checking email, or working on something else. This works on popular sites like YouTube, Twitch, and even streaming platforms like Netflix. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips. Let's jump in. First, open Opera and start playing any video on a supported website. You can use YouTube, Twitch, Netflix, or another site that plays video in the browser. Make sure the video is actually running because the picture-in-picture control usually appears when the video is active. Once the video is playing, move your mouse cursor over the top center of the video frame. Don't click yet, just hover and wait for the video controls to appear. In Opera, a small video pop-out icon should slide down. It looks like two overlapping squares with an arrow, and that is the button you need. When you see it, click that icon once. As soon as you do, Opera will detach the video from the page and open it in a floating window. This floating window is your picture-in-picture view, and you can drag it anywhere on your screen. You can also resize it to make it bigger or smaller depending on how you want to watch. The best part is that the video keeps playing while you browse other websites, switch tabs, or continue working in the same browser window. If you want to move the window, just click and drag it to a different part of the screen. If you want to change the size, use the edges of the floating player and adjust it to fit your setup. This is especially useful if you like watching tutorials, live streams, sports, or movies while multitasking. And if the icon does not appear right away, try moving your cursor slightly over different parts of the top area of the video frame until the controls show up. In some cases, the browser or website may place the pop-out option in a slightly different spot, but the process is usually the same. So the simple workflow is: play the video, hover over the top center, click the video pop-out icon, and enjoy the floating window. It really is that easy. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Opera tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.